And the last one is actually coming back regularly on a certain schedule to a factory and looking at what they're doing and just giving them some technical guidance if they have some issues, or telling them, okay, what you've been doing here is great on this project, and the way we can see it in the next month is maybe you can go through these steps and we'll come back and talk again with you. So it's really, it can come as the maintenance on the previous project that we have done when the company wants to take it in their own hands and keep running with it. That's great. We totally support it, but they might still need a little bit of coaching along the way and maybe extra ideas from the same consultants who have come to know their organization very well.